Hey, my name is Phil from funnelscene.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Go High Level form gate videos so you can increase your lead generation while still providing value up front. Now, the good thing about this is a lot of people hesitate when they see a landing page if you get asked for your name and email, whereas if you provide even just a little bit of a video to give them an idea of what their content's going to be like, they're more inclined to actually give out their name and email, and then they can watch the rest of the video. So this is a really cool strategy, very fast to set up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here we are in my dashboard. I've created a quick landing page, which I'm going to show you the form gate on, and this is the landing page actually here. And I've also gone ahead and created a custom form, which is the one you're seeing on screen now. These are the only two elements you need to actually get this entire process completed. So let me show you what you need to do. First of all, we'll start with the form. What you need to do is create a quick form. I've just added in full name, phone, and email. We've also got the terms and conditions checkbox as I've asked for phone. And then we have just got a simple button. All of this customization is just done inside of the form builder. Once you've completed that, make sure you've named it something that you can remember as well. Go ahead, click save, and then come to your landing page. So at the moment it's turned on, so I showed you that little preview, but let me show you how it's done. So go ahead, come to the video element. If you need to add in one as well, you can just simply come on the left, look for video, and you can drop it in like so. Okay, piece of cake. I'm just delete this one here. And then come down and insert your video, right? You can see I've got an intro here. This is actually for the sales page of mine for a different product, but this is inside of here. And if we scroll right down to the bottom, you can see generate leads from video. Now, I believe this was added maybe in the last couple of days. It's completely new to me, but what we can do is check this little box here. It's going to bring up a different time, different time options. So obviously we've got hours, minutes, and seconds. I'm going to keep it on 5 seconds for this demo because I don't want you to wait an hour or anything before the form pops up. This just for an explainer. And then of course, choose your form that you want to use inside of your account. Now you have a couple of options. We have this little checkbox down the bottom, allow user to close the form and continue. This would be if you want to still allow people to watch the video without giving their lead. But if you want to collect their lead, make sure it's unchecked. And that's basically it. Let me show you what will happen. Okay. So now that is done, let's go. I'm just going to open this actually in an incognito window because I've been playing with it quite a bit. So I'll just grab that link, come to the bottom, open it in incog, okay? And as you can see, press on play, okay? And we've got this little lock here. Now, what's going to happen is once it gets to this certain stage, it's going to ask for their details. Now, if I go and click on X, then you've guessed it, if you've left that box unchecked, nothing's going to happen. It's just going to keep spinning and they'll be stuck in this endless spinning loop. But if they want to watch the video, they can just come back, click on the form, and I'm just going to make up some details here. Bob Dylan, phone number is 022-33445. I don't believe that's going to accept it because it's not a real number. There we go. And I'm just going to put in here hello plus 1234 at funnelscene.com. Check the terms and conditions, press watch the full video, and then watch what happens. It continues. And the cool thing about this, you can skip, you can go anywhere you want, and even if you reload the page, the form gate's gone. So you can come back, you can watch it as you please. So it's as simple as that. It's literally a couple of minutes to set up, and now you can start your lead generation. And of course, we have now got our form here. So all you need to do now is go and create some automations based on the form, and you can continue on your marketing efforts from there. So it's as easy as that, literally a couple of minutes, and you can have this new form gate video set up and running. And then it's just a matter of slotting them into your different automations so you can further market to them. So I hope this video was informative. That's it from me. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.